Ever wondered how your phone recognizes your face to unlock, or how social media platforms suggest tagging your friends in your photos? This marvel is brought to you by the power of artificial intelligence, specifically facial recognition technology. Imagine a world where machines can not only see, but also understand what they're looking at. This is the realm of facial recognition, a subset of AI that's become increasingly prevalent in our lives. It uses complex algorithms to identify unique features on your face, creating a mathematical formula, a facial signature if you will. From unlocking your smartphone to suggesting photo tags, from enhancing security systems to finding missing persons, this technology is reshaping the world as we know it. It's not just in your phones or social media either, it's being used in public safety, surveillance, and so much more. That's the power of AI and facial recognition, a technological marvel that's become a part of our everyday lives. Imagine a world where criminals can be identified instantly by a mere scan of their face. Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? But it's not. This is the reality we're stepping into with AI and facial recognition technologies. These tools are increasingly being used in public safety, helping law enforcement agencies worldwide to combat crime more effectively. From identifying suspects in crowd footage to locating missing persons, the potential applications are vast. In major cities, AI algorithms sift through thousands of hours of surveillance footage, pinpointing individuals of interest with an accuracy that far surpasses human capabilities. Even in the aftermath of disasters, facial recognition can aid in reuniting families or identifying victims. But it's not just about catching the bad guys. AI and facial recognition can also help prevent crimes before they happen, by analyzing patterns and predicting potential hotspots for criminal activity. In the realm of public safety, AI and facial recognition are proving to be invaluable tools. But what happens when the technology meant to protect us starts infringing on our privacy? A question that's been echoing in the minds of many as AI and facial recognition technologies become increasingly prevalent. These tools, while incredibly powerful, also have the potential for misuse. Imagine a world where every move you make, every face you meet is tracked and recorded without your consent. This is the reality we could face with unchecked use of AI and facial recognition. We're talking about a technology that has the potential to invade our personal privacy on an unprecedented scale. It's not just about recognizing a face in a crowd anymore. It's about tracking individuals, understanding their patterns, their habits, their lives. And then there's the possibility of mass surveillance. The kind of surveillance that doesn't differentiate between a criminal and an innocent bystander. As AI and facial recognition continue to evolve, so does the debate on balancing technology's benefits with the need to protect individual privacy.